Okay, now this is the walkthrough of our new residence for the next few days, the Palafitos overwater bungalows. You walk through the door, you get a view down into the ocean. There's our welcome champagne sitting there waiting for us. A little sitting area here. Very nice. Over here you have your coffee station, your coffee, tea. And here we have a refrigerator, fully stocked. They will customize that with what you want in it. Let's see if I got some snacks in there. Get your own personal butler. He will basically take care of you whenever you need him to. They have 2 shifts, so they got you covered. Over here you got a big mirror. Office space, Bluetooth speaker that you can take around with you. You may have noticed that Lori is not here. We'll find her in a little bit. There's another shot of the glass floor so you can see down to the water. These are our welcome gifts. Beach bag and a hat. Very nice. And there's the bed. Sitting area here. This is the view from your bed, looking back at the resort, over the water, back to the beach. We'll go out there in just a minute. And here we have the bathroom. Using her sinks, jacuzzi tub, very nice. Got some closets, got safe, other things that you need. Bathrobes, daytime and nighttime. Very nice. Complimentary slippers. Several pair of complimentary slippers. Bathroom in there. And if you want to see the fishes while you go into the bathroom, you can also see down the ocean in there. Next door to that, we have the indoor shower. You have 2 options, rainfall or a regular one. And you can also see down into the water from here. And if you remember from the other video, I'm pretty partial to the outdoor shower. So they made sure to include one of those as well. Look up to the clear blue sky. And another nice thing about this is outside of this shower is your own private pool. And look, we found Lori.
Okay.
She made it to the private pool first thing. And she's got her margarita in hand, good to go. So here's the deck. Nice little love seat style chair there. Got a table. You can have breakfast out here. 24-hour room service. They'll bring your food to you. They got their own little service entrance over here, so they don't have to come through your room. They'll serve you right out here on the deck. Over here, we have stairs going down to their own private deck with a couple of lounge chairs and access right down into the ocean right there. Can't beat the view. It's incredible. So that's it for the tour. Time for me to join Lori in the pool.